Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing my hot fall recipes. These are perfect for the fall and even the winter. So without further ado, let's get started. So our very first recipe is a chai tea latte. So I recently purchased some tea from David's Tea and I picked up some chai tea. This is always a favorite for the fall. So this is the pumpkin chai tea. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a spoonful or teaspoon of tea and you put it with water. I usually fill it halfway because we're going to add some milk. So let that steep for around 5 minutes. And we're going to start prepping our milk. So I'm going to use half and half. You can use normal milk or you can use your alternative milks like oat milk. And you let that go while you're waiting for it to brew. So now that's done, you're going to take it out because you don't want it to steep too long. It'll be a little too strong. And then you're going to add 2 cubes of sugar. You can add whatever you like, honey or anything else, any alternative, or don't add at all, totally up to you. You're gonna mix that until it is dissolved, and then you can add your froth milk inside. I'll also link it down below for you so you can go check it out. I love this frother. It's pretty inexpensive and it's super easy to use. So the second recipe is the salted caramel latte. This is perfect cold or hot. So I'm going to be using my espresso pods. You can use whatever coffee you make, just as long as it's an espresso. I have this caramel one here that's perfect. It does have a little sweetness into it, so you technically don't have to add sweetness into it if you don't want to, or you can add some more sweetness. So right now I'm just putting up my milk of choice. I'm gonna put a little bit of maple syrup. This is totally up to you if you don't have sweetener for your coffee already. And then last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of sea salt, so it's kind of like a salted milky froth milk. So that's exciting. So you're gonna let that go. After that, you're gonna grab your coffee. You're gonna grab your mixture, and basically you're just gonna pour that in. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. It's a little late for my intro, but my name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks on business. And make sure to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram for behind the scenes. I'm just going to add a little bit of caramel sauce because I usually do this for my day drinks, and that is basically it. So enjoy!